Remainder theorem. For this question, we have to find the remainder when f of x is divided by part E, x plus 1, and part B, 2x minus 5. So let's focus on part E. The first thing we have to do is put x plus 1 equal to 0. Transpose x is equal to -1. Then we have to substitute x equals -1 in the f of x function. So basically, wherever you see x, you're going to put -1. All right, so let's do that now. All right, so we're going to further simplify. Now, two things. When I'm making my substitution, I put the numbers in a bracket. All right, you have to work out what is in a bracket first before you multiply by the number outside. Also, I can input everything here into my calculator and I'll get my final answer. Exactly how it is written, I can input it into my calculator and get the final answer. So it's important how you write down your question or your solutions. So I'm going to work out this mentally. The next question, part B, I'm going to work it out with my calculator because the x value will be a fraction. So -1 to the power of 4 is 1. -1 to the power of 3 is -1. -1 squared is +1. When you're multiplying two same signs, it's positive. All right, there isn't any, the power is not more than 1, so you can just deal with the signs, multiply the signs, you get positive. So further simplification, we have 2, when you're multiplying same signs is positive, 5 by 1 is 5, we have 2 here, we have 1 minus 2. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So the remainder for part E is 8. Let's deal with part B now. We're going to follow the same steps. We're going to put 2x minus 5 equals 0, transpose, get the x value, and then we're going to substitute that value into this function. Use our calculator, simplify, and we'll get our remainder. So let's deal with that now. So x minus 5 equals 0. Now we're going to substitute. All right, so after here, just verify your work. 2 open brackets, 5 over 2 to the power 4 minus 5, open bracket 5 over 2 to the power cube, plus 2, open bracket 5 over 2 to the power 2 or squared, minus 5 over 2 minus 2. So we are on track. All right, as I said, I can input all of this into the calculator and get my final answer, but I'll do it term by term. So y'all can follow along with me to make sure you know how you're using your calculator. So I'm putting in for this here, 2 open bracket, 5 over 2 close bracket to the power of 4, and I will get 625 over 8 minus, I'm going to put this one now, 5 open bracket, 5 over 2 close bracket to the power of 3 cube. All right, and I get 625 over 8 as well. Put in a plus. I'm going to deal with this term here. 2 open bracket 5 over 2 close bracket squared. I'll get 25 over 2 minus 5 over 2 minus 2. So you see here we have positive 625 over 8 and we have negative 625 over 8. So that will cancel out. All right, and I'm going to input these into the calculator. 25 over 2 minus 5 over 2 minus 2. And I got 8. So when f of x is divided by 2x minus 5, the answer for part B is 8. In this question, we see we got 8 for part A and 8 for part B. Not all questions will get the same remainder. It just happened that this question, we have the same remainder, right? Same answer. So that's it for remainder theorem relating to this question.